Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to my another YouTube video. On this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make fermented bamboo shoot. It's very simple and easy to make. And if you're new here, why don't you hit on the subscribe button and be a part of my YouTube family where I share with you guys about makeup, cooking, adventure, and weekly vlogs. If you're familiar with Naga foods, you will know that fermented bamboo shoot is a major delicacy in Naga cuisine. While I was studying outside state, people usually used to ask me how we prepare this, mainly because I used to use a lot of fermented bamboo shoot in all my cookings, even in Maggi. Can you imagine? I know what you're thinking, it's a very weird combination, but it's not that bad. You should try once and see. Anyway, let's get into the video. The process is really simple, you'll understand as you watch it, so I'll just give you a little brief on its benefits and things related. Bamboo shoot is loaded with vitamins, minerals, proteins and fibers. Not only that, it has tons of medicinal properties like digestion, weight control, lower blood pressure, boost immune system, etc. etc. Among all those benefits, two particular health benefits that caught my attention are: it is said to be anti-venomous. Ayurveda suggests drinking the juice extract from bamboo shoots to work against poisoning, especially in case of snakes, scorpions, and bites from venomous creatures. And it is also said to induce uterine contractions, thus aiding in normal delivery. Traditional Chinese medicine recommends pregnant women in the last stage of pregnancy to include bamboo shoot dishes in small amount to facilitate a normal delivery. These 2 points were actually surprising and new to me as I researched into the benefits of bamboo shoot. If this was new and helpful to you, then do let me know on the comment section below, and please don't shy to comment. I'm not gonna judge you. Okay, now let me explain you what's happening on the video. We are shredding the bamboo shoot into pieces to store it. However, it's totally up to you if you want to have in box shape, round shape or mesh sheet. We are shredding it because it becomes easier for us to store it in small containers. It will consume less space unlike the bigger sizes. It's also necessary to press it tight, leaving no space in between, so this becomes easier. I've seen people using little bit of salt, but here we are not using anything. I don't know if it makes any difference. Do let me know if you know anything about it. I would love to hear from you. I have seen people using water also, which is totally fine because that will give you more bamboo shoot juice, and also that will make your bamboo shoot less sour than the one without adding water. So if you want to try out that adding water style, then don't fill your bottle or container till the neck. You have to leave some space to add some water. Here we are not using any because bamboo shoot itself will ooze and produce its own juice. After you are done pressing it tight, make sure it's closed airtight. If not, then it will turn into black. After a week or so, you will notice it will start giving out strong pungent smell, and with time it will get stronger and the bamboo shoots will get more tender. With all its nutritional benefit, it not only have extended shelf life, but fermentation also enhances the safety of food. Some people uses bamboo shoot juice to prolong the shelf life of vegetables such as chilies, tomatoes, bitter tomatoes. So this is it for today's video. I hope the video was helpful to you. Do let me know on the comment section if it was. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.